How to implement cheap marketing strategies. Email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to promote your business and engage with your audience. Here are some tips for implementing cheap email marketing strategies. Build a strong email list. The first step in effective email marketing is building a strong email list. You can collect email addresses from customers and prospects by offering them incentives such as discounts or freebies for signing up. Segment your email list. Not all subscribers are the same, so it's important to segment your email list based on factors such as demographics, behavior, and interests. Use a free or low-cost email marketing platform. There are many email marketing platforms available that offer free or low-cost plans for small businesses. Some popular options include MailChimp, Constant Contact, and Klaviyo. Personalize your emails. Personalization is key to effective email marketing. Use your subscriber's name in the email, segment your list, recommendations or offers based on their behavior and interests. Keep your emails short and sweet. People are busy and don't have time to read lengthy emails. Keep your emails short and to the point, focusing on the most important information or call to action. Use a catchy subject line. Your subject line is the first thing that subscribers will see, so make sure it grabs their attention and entices them to open the email. Use visuals to enhance your emails. Adding visuals such as images, videos, and infographics can make your emails more engaging and increase click-through rates. Test and optimize your emails. Test different elements of your emails such as subject line, content, and visuals to see what works best for your audience. Email marketing is a cheap and effective way to promote your business and engage with your audience. By following these tips, you can create successful email campaigns that drive traffic, increase conversions, and build lasting relationships with your subscribers. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss out on our latest content.